Hello internet friends, in this video I am continuing to work on the left fuel tank. And after dimpling the skins, the plans say to work on the tank attach bracket sub-assembly, which I don't know what piece I'm working on right here. Some piece that goes on, the shims that attach to this, well actually that's not it. Oh, I'm fluting a rib. Anyway, once I'm done with that and give up, then I'm going to build the tank attach bracket subassembly, which I was challenged a little bit because I forgot where I put one of the bearings. Well, the bag with the bearings in it. And so I was very tired, apparently, when I was looking for it, and didn't find it. And then the next day I found it in the cupboard where I put all the parts. So yeah, sometimes when you're tired, things can be right in front of your face, except the cupboard was closed. That's why I didn't see it. So the solution I'm gonna have is, once I motivate myself enough, I will put all the parts into one of the plastic tubs, and then all the parts will be in one place. Well, I'll put all the metal parts into one, then I'll put all the loose bags, which are already in a box. I probably won't move those. I'll probably move them all into the same cupboard, and then I will only have two places to look for parts that will be relatively close. So there we go. That's my solution that I'm going to do when I motivate myself to do it. Probably on a Saturday. It's really hard to do it during the week, just because of work, and even though I work from home, and theoretically I could have a time during the day when oh, I don't have any meetings on my calendar. I could go do something, right? I either need to figure out a way to be productive then, or someone's gonna call me, and then I'll have to give them my attention. So it's very hard to take those moments during the day and try to get anything done, because it doesn't take a lot of concentration to build these parts, but when you get distracted, that's when you start making mistakes. So you kind of just want to get in the zone and start building. So anyway, I get to avoid needing to order a $600 bag of parts from Vans. And actually, I think I ended up still ordering a bag of parts, because at the end of the video, I get to the part where I need a nut plate. It's one of the weird nut plates that has like 2 rivets and then a screw. And I could not find that bag. And so I was like, oh, I'll just order it from Spruce. I'll get it, tomorrow, basically. Spruce only takes 1 day to although that's if you select UPS. If you select Priority Mail, a week ago I ordered a pull dimple die set, and it still hasn't shown up. My backup plan was to borrow one from somebody here in Vegas, but it says it's going to be here this weekend, so hopefully I'll have it. So anyway, yeah, I was going to order this nut plate from Spruce, but to order the nut plate, or 6 nut plates apparently is what I needed, it was $10. And to order the entire bag, which not only included nut plates but also includes some rivets and other things, since I'm missing this bag anyways, and it was $10, the same price, I just ordered it from Vans. Like, I don't think I will need this nut plate immediately. I can just leave a Quico in it and it will be fine. So again, going back to store your parts in the correct place, not in the correct, in the same place. Store your parts in the same place. Don't ever move once you start this project. Otherwise, you will be sad. You won't be sad. You'll just spend time and money, and that's how airplane projects go. You spend time and money, and eventually, maybe, hopefully, it turns into an airplane, and then you get to fly it and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Speaking of fruits of labor, if you would like to share your time or money, your stories about those, and none of that made any sense. Just scan these QR codes. You'll come join us in the chat groups. There's Slack and Discord. Slack's more popular at the moment. And I will see you there and see you in the next video.